Dripping sauce, dripping sauce, dripping sauce, Saturday, Saturday, dripping, drip. Alright, today on Sauce Saturday, I'm going to show you how to make Big Mac sauce, okay? The first thing you're going to need is about half a cup of mayonnaise, creamy ranch or just French dressing, some vinegar, some relish, and some sugar. And my favorite, I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder. So what I'm going to do, I'm just add a little onion powder to begin with, just like maybe like half a teaspoon onion powder. Then I'm going to use half a cup of mayonnaise. About half a cup. And then I'm going to use 4 teaspoons of relish. Alright. Then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of French dressing. 2. Then 1 quarter tablespoon of vinegar. And then a teaspoon of sugar. And then I'm just going to mix this up until it gets a really good consistency. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Make sure all the ingredients get mixed up. And that's how you make Big Mac sauce. Let me know if you have any. Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce.